Ciao Tesla people. Today I wanted to talk about another feature that this car has that I really don't like it, and I think here Tesla screw up a big time. It's a really bad design feature. Anyway, the idea is the following. So if you have an EV, which is battery powered, what happens when you are inside and the battery doesn't work? So everything works with electricity. And how do you open the doors? Okay, so most of the cars have even a mechanical switch to allow you to get out of the car if the electrical switches don't work. In case of electrical vehicle, if the battery doesn't work. Okay, how do you get out? So in Teslas, there is this lever here. You pull up this and it will open the door. Okay, and this is fine, you know, it looks good. Here are the buttons for the windows, front and the back. I'm on the passenger side, so I control everything. This is the switch to open the door, and this is the mechanical switch to open the door. This, when you pull up, you're not supposed to do it without, how you say, without the need to do it, okay, because this is for emergency. It will pull a wire, an actual wire, to open the door, okay? So let's go in the back, and I'll show you the thing that I'm talking about, and which doesn't make any sense. Okay, so I'm in the back of the car, and this is the worst design of Tesla. There is no switch. Here there is windows. This is the switch, electrical switch for opening the door. There is no mechanical switch here. Okay, none. Where they put that wire, which the switch is attached to, is actually under here. This, I put this accessory here. Let me remove this guy. Okay, and down here, you see that red thing? Okay, I put that. There was just a little cover here, and under the cover there is a wire. Okay, so if I pull up this guy, okay, you see that wire? There is a wire here, this guy. So you're basically supposed to pull this in event of an emergency, or if you want to get out of the car because everything doesn't work because the battery is dead. Okay, and this guy was below here in this hole, and on top of this there was a piece of fabric like this covering it. Okay, so think about it. You are in emergency, and if you are in front, you pull those mechanical switches. If you are in the back, you are supposed to first find. I have this thing. Okay. I put this, so there isn't, if you buy a new Tesla. And then there is this fabric that covers this hole, and then there is the wire, okay? It looks like it's a steel wire, I think, okay? So with your hands, you have to pull that wire, and it's very difficult. There was some material covering it so that you're able to grab it, but it doesn't really, you know, help you out in a case of emergency. Okay, so I decided to buy this accessory that is integrated with that wire, and then if I need to, I just pull up this, and I can pull up the entire. You know, I can pull the wire, and it will open the door. So this is my opinion. It's the worst design that Tesla has in their cars. Now, I know the Model 3 has too this system. I'm not sure if the new M3 has it. I didn't notice that. I'm not sure if the Cybertruck has it. I think in the front it's similar to the Model Y, but in the back, I don't know. If anyone knows about it, please comment down below. And you know, what do you think? I really don't like it, especially if you have somebody that you carry somebody that doesn't know Tesla. In case of emergency, they really don't know about this, you know. Many Tesla owners don't know about this, which is, I think, crazy. They should do the same thing that you have in front. Here, there, you know, kind of hidden, but you know that it's there, or you can tell that it's there, okay? And you can just pull up and open the door. Okay, that's the solution that they should be implemented. I'm not sure about this thing, why they decided to do like this. By design, this is the worst design that you can have, because it's down below. It doesn't look like there is anything, because the red thing, I put it there, and there is fabric. There is like a rectangular piece of fabric, like it's inside, so you really actually don't see it, the wire. And then to pull the wire, it's kind of difficult. Anyway, just wanted to show you this fail design decision by Tesla. Anyway, let me know what you think. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao, Tesla people.